Guys, at the end of this video, I'm giving away $10. Make sure you stay around. On this channel, we talk a lot about the Bitcoin of AI, BitTensor's, but there's always been one massive hurdle that holds up decentralized computing from true enterprise adoption, and that really is privacy. Up until now, if you ran your data on a decentralized network, you were essentially shouting it into a room full of strangers, but that just changed. Today, we're going to deep dive into Targon, the oldest subnet of BitTensor, which just cracked the code for confidential computing. Whether you're a developer looking for the H100s at a fraction of the cost or an investor looking for subnets with the most real-world traction, you need to understand what Targon is, what it's building, and let's get after it. Make sure you hit that like button on the way. So first, let's talk about staying. Targon is subnet 4. And it's the oldest active subnet on the entire BitTensor network, having registered way back in October 3rd, 2023. While other subnets have changed hands or vanished, Targon has been here exception. It's operated by Manifold Labs, a team that's got serious DNA in their ecosystem. Their co-founders are former Open Tensor Foundation executives. This is not just a group of hobbyists. These are the architects of the BitTensor network. Because of their longevity, Targon's alpha tokens have deeper liquidity, and it's historically less volatile than some of the newer ones. Some of the newer ones that we talk about, and some of them are hype-based. So, plus they are backed by a massive 10.5 million Series A funding round from some well-known investors around the world. That is a serious war chest to fund growth and to do long-term research into blockchain technology. So, what is the actual tech that makes Targon a category killer? Well, it's the Targon virtual machine. The TVM is a game changer because it solved confidential computing for decentralized systems. In the past, miners on a subnet could technically see the data you were processing. Targon was the first that allowed you to solve this, ensuring that the computations can be decentralized without sacrificing your privacy. This is why they're already generating real revenue with real customers. They aren't just talking about speculative utility. This is part of the reason why BitTensor is so valuable in the cryptocurrency economy. Targon is currently serving other major subnets like Dippy, which is subnet 11, Quasar, which is subnet 24, and Brainplay, which is subnet 117. They even have research projects running at the University of Michigan and Cal Irvine. They've essentially built the Amazon Web Service of BitTensor, where you get the scale of a global network with the security of a private server. So you might be wondering, how is this cheaper than just going to a centralized provider? So you might be wondering, how is this cheaper than just going to a centralized provider? It's all about the incentive structure. For every compute target on Targon, there is a specific emissions allocation of tau that's up for grabs. So here's the genius. Miners place bids on the hourly price they want to get paid. Targon fills the lowest bids first. If a miner tries to overcharge, their bid gets diluted or it gets ignored. This forces compute providers to constantly bid their prices down to ensure they get filled, which allows Targon to pass those massive savings directly onto you, the customer. They're basically making you bid low and forcing that so that the prices are also cost effective for you. Accessing this power is incredibly simple through the Targon serverless SDK. If you know Python, you can natively access this compute within your existing environment. It's serverless, meaning it scales up or down based on your usage. You only pay what you actually use, and the variety of hardware is actually insane. You have CPU servers for lightweight apps and hosting. You have RTX 4090s for local LLM and image generation. You got the H100s and the H200s for professional AI training and large-scale productions. And then you got the B200 Blackwells, and they're even moving into next-gen Blackwell architecture for ultra-high performance and frontier AI research. The era of overpriced non-private compute is over. Targon has the heritage, the funding, the confidential tech to lead the AI revolution on BitTensor. If you want to see this in action for yourself, I've got a deal for you. I'm going to give you $10 of free compute credits right now to start building. All you have to do is go to targon.com and use the code STARTER10, and I'm going to give you that link in the description down below, and you can check the link in the description to get started. Don't wait for the rest of the world to realize how big this is. Get in on the Targon Alpha. It's not financial advice.